Hi friends, welcome to Adaptive AI System. Today we will be learning the terms AI, Artificial Intelligence, ML, Machine Learning and DL, Deep Learning. We will be knowing how they are related to each other, and we will be looking into the practical example and how they are related to each other. Basically, AI is the superset of ML and ML is the superset of DL. If we look into this wheel robot, it has multiple components. Components like uh, wheel, hands, eyes, and ears. So, by combining all those things or these components, this robot or this whole body is doing a specific task. So, what is the task for this robot? Is just to walk on the lane or at the room. So how does it works actually in the room or in the lane? Because how does it does? It takes the input, like it use the what are the inputs here? The inputs here when it walks on the road, it takes the lane, then roadsides, then buildings, persons coming from the above, left, right. It uses to look everything. So how does it look? With the help of camera. And apart from looking into the camera, it also hear like it hear the sound from the back, whether some vehicles, some animals, or something is coming on it. So how it does? It does with the help of mic. By taking the help of camera and mic, what it does, it sends the signals to a processing unit, and then it takes some action. So for this example, we are taking the action as moving of the wheeled robot. Here we can say the AI means the complete robot system, and ML means the technology or logic used for learning, identifying and the objects, the sound system is called the ML technology. And how it does all those things is inside the DL. So what exactly the DL is doing? It is learning the complex features which are coming in front of the cameras. Like if a person is coming or if an animal is coming. So how exactly it is saying that it's an animal or it's a person? Basically, it is trying to find the complex feature between this animal, between this person, and then it takes these features and give to the processing units to do some an action. So here we can say that AI is the main part and ML is doing the learning algorithms or learning the things, but how it learns the things is done with the help of DL algorithms. So there are a lot of DL algorithms, like we can say CNN, RNN, LSTM. Suppose we have kept an apple in front of a robot, so it can't tell that it's an apple or it's an orange. But as a human, how do we say that it's an apple? Because we have seen from the childhood till now, and we learned that okay, the apple, if the shape of this object is like this, if there is a shiny red color, we say it's an apple. In the same way, if we can teach all those things to an algorithm or to a machine, then obviously that machine also can tell that it's an apple. How do we teach whether it's an apple or it's an orange? We have to give the images of apples to this algorithm, and the algorithm by itself will learn the property of this apple, and whenever we put this apple or whenever we feed the image of this apple to that algorithm, it will tell us that it's an apple. And how to do these things we will see.